Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get bubble guns in Bo6 zombies. To begin, you will need to understand the three main phases of acquisition. First, locate and collect specific parts scattered across the map. Next, complete a series of in-game challenges to unlock the crafting schematic. Finally, use the crafting station to assemble your powerful new weapon. This guide makes the process straightforward and easy to follow. Finding the necessary components is your first crucial step. There are three unique parts you must discover, often hidden in less obvious locations or guarded by groups of zombies. Keep an eye out for glowing indicators or listen for distinct sound effects that signal a part's presence nearby. Collecting these early will significantly speed up your progress towards acquiring the bubble gun, so make it a priority. Once you have gathered all the components, your next task is to complete a set of 3 specific in-game challenges. These trials might involve eliminating 100 zombies in a designated area, or perhaps defending a critical point for 2 minutes against waves of the undead. Successfully finishing each challenge will grant you access to the bubble gun's crafting schematic, a vital piece for assembly. With all components and the schematic in hand, head to the main crafting station, typically found near your initial spawn point. Interact with the station to combine your 3 collected parts and the newly acquired schematic. Once crafted, your bubble gun is ready. This powerful weapon holds 25 rounds and excels at slowing down hordes, giving you a significant tactical advantage in combat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.